guys a makeup tutorial on this look right here. You guys have been requesting a makeup tutorial lately, so here is one. For this look, I think of like spring and sunflowers and all of that jazz. Disclaimer, I am not wearing this out. This is just for fun. And also, make sure to go follow my Instagram makeup account, which is at Nicole Laeno Makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. And if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be taking the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Stick and putting this all over my face. I really like this for cooling off and hydrating my skin before I put any makeup on it, and that's why I use this first. Now I'm going to do my brows with the Rude Cosmetics Outrageous Eyebrow Pen. They actually sent this to me and I really like it. This color is in black brown and it's super nice. It comes with both a spoolie and a brow pencil. For my brow routine, first I start with brushing out my hairs and kind of brushing my hairs out to what I want them to look like. Now I'm going to take the pencil side and line the bottom of my eyebrow. And after that, I'm going to line the top. I'm going to fill all of the brow in. And I like this product because it's super waxy, so it's really easy to work with, in my opinion. As you guys can see, I kind of go harder with the pencil like towards the end of my brow, but then towards the beginning I kind of just leave it natural. And when your brow looks like this, I'm going back with the spoolie and brushing it out one more time. And there you go. By the way, I haven't done this eyebrow yet, but usually after I'm done with both my brows, I would clean it up with concealer. But for this one, I felt like I didn't really want to, so I didn't. But if you like to clean up your brows after you fill them in, then go ahead. So I'm going to pop on this eyebrow next and I will be right back. Now that I have both brows on, we are going to move on to the eyes. First, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. If you have an eye primer, totally go and use it. But I think concealer does the job and you don't have to buy another product that you don't need. I just put this on my eye and then blend it out with my fingers. I'm going to set my eyes with the Coty Air Spun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. And to do that, I'm going to use the Morphe M504 brush. I just take a little bit of the powder and then I just pack it on. Alright, now we are going to do the eyeshadow. The first palette I'm going to use is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. First of all, this smells so good. The first thing I'm going to do is take Peaches and Cream. It's just this really nice subtle peach color. With the Morphe E22 brush, I'm going to use this as my transition shade and put this in my crease. Whenever I go into the crease, I like to go light-handed because it's just easier to blend your shadows that way. As you can see, the color is just super neutral and great for a transition shade. Now with the same brush, I'm going to go into Peach Tea and also put this in my crease. Next, I'm going in with a Morphe M412 brush and into this color called Fresh Picked. And I'm also going to put this in my crease. I'm putting all three of these colors in the same place because after this shade, I have one more color to put in the crease. And that's going to go lower than all of these, so yeah. This is going to add much more definition and darken your crease. Oh my god. I totally just dug my fingernails into the shadows. At least my fingers smell like peaches now. Well, while that's still lodged into my fingernails, we are going to move on to the next step. We are going to go back into the Just Peachy Mattes palette, but right now I'm going into the Morphe 12P palette. I'm pretty sure they discontinued this palette, which is really sad because this is an amazing palette to have like the basic colorful shadows, but you can definitely buy their 35B palette. That has 35 shadows and a lot more different options for you. So if you want an affordable eyeshadow palette that has a bunch of like colors, then you should definitely go buy the 35B palette. Anyways, in this palette, I'm going to take the yellow shade and put this in my crease with a MAC brush. I'm going pretty heavy with this shade and make sure that it's blending with the browns. I really love this color with this eyeshadow look because with the browns, it just makes it look like a mustard yellow and I'm really digging it. This shadow in my nail is gonna bother me so much. Taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again, I'm going to cut my crease with this Morphe Flat Shader brush. Basically, all I do is take the concealer doe foot and brush it along the bristles of the brush. And to cut my crease, I'm just starting from like my inner lid and brushing it out. I'm not cutting the whole full crease, I'm actually only doing a half cut crease because we are putting a darker color in our outer corner. Giselle Cosmetics sent me a bunch of their loose shadows. They are shimmer eyeshadows and they're super nice. Today I'm going to be using this yellow color and it's super pretty. And I'm just going to pack this on with a smaller Morphe shader brush. And I'm just going to apply this wherever I put the concealer. There is going to be fallout, but that is normal with a loose shadow. But these are super soft and I really enjoy them. Like, it's just so pretty and so easy to apply. The last step to the eyes, I'm going back into the Just Peachy Mattes palette and taking Peach Tart with this Anastasia brush and putting this in my outer corner. This is going to finish the eyeshadow and make the eyes look more like a sunflower. So you can apply eyeliner if you would like to, but sometimes I feel like eyeliner covers up the eyeshadow and I definitely want to emphasize the eyeshadow. So I'm not going to do any eyeliner for this look, but if you would like to, totally go ahead. For now, we are done with the eyes. I am going to go back and apply mascara, but I'm going to wait until I finish the face. Moving on to face, first I'm going to prime with the Benefit Pore-Fessional. This is a super nice primer and it makes your makeup stay on all day. Now I'm going in with my favorite foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. This is a medium to full coverage foundation and I'm in the color Sand. I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender from Real Techniques. I literally just washed it for this video and look how pretty it looks. I love how it looks, but I'm totally gonna mess it up right now, so what can you do? Anyways, I like to dot my face with the foundation. I feel like this makes it easier to blend out. So I'm just going to take it and dot it on my face. And I'll usually just take the excess and put it down my neck. Look how dirty it is. Okay, I'm going to be totally honest with you guys and totally honest with myself. I know that my foundation usually does not match my skin tone. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I feel like I can never find my right shade. So next time I buy a new foundation, I swear I'm going to go through every single shade and pick my right color. This is a little orange, but it's okay because, I mean, we can make it work. Hopefully. Next, I'm going to conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again. I love this concealer and I can never get enough of it. It's so full coverage and I use the color Light Medium Honey. I'm going to put this in various places. I'm going to put it under my eyes, my nose area, my smile lines, as well as my chin. And again, I'm going to use my very dirty beauty blender now to blend this all out because, you know, we are not going to be finished like this. Next, we are going to powder ourselves with the Coty Spun Loose Face Powder. I am going to be setting my whole face with this, but I'm going to emphasize the powder on the areas I concealed, so yeah. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender again. Now that our whole face is set and we're looking like a ghost, it is time to bronze. I'm using my favorite bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I love this so much. It smells amazing. And it's very affordable. To apply it, I'm using this Morphe brush. I don't know how to describe it. I'm just going to put this on my cheekbones as well as my temples. Now it's time for blush. I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. I really like these blushes. The formula is really nice and it just goes onto the skin super nicely. To apply blush, I'm actually using the Morphe Y6 brush. Yes, it's usually meant for foundation, but it's actually super nice for blush. Next, we're going to glow like a goddess and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This is my all-time favorite highlighter. And I'm using the Morphe R30. What the heck? It's something R3 something. I don't know. Are you guys ready for this? It's so pretty. It's so pretty. You guys need to buy this. Then my nose, my cupid's bow, and then my forehead. Now we're finally going to finish the eyes with some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is literally my all-time favorite mascara. It's so nice. It's at the drugstore and it makes your lashes very voluminous. Wham! Like, look at the difference. This, yes. This, no. I'm also going to be putting this on my lower lashes as well. I feel like whenever I do my lower lashes, I look like a doll. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I fixed the tragedy. Okay, so we're just going to move on to the lips and setting spray, and that is it. For lips, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Lip Kit in Dolce K. I literally just sharpened the pencil and it's so sharp, oh my gosh. But I really like this lip. It can go with anything, honestly, because it's such a neutral color. It's just super pretty and, like I said, can go with anything. Now that my lips are dry, I'm going to set my whole face with the Peachy Makeup Fixing Mist. We are now done and I'm going to pass you guys out to the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. My camera is running low, so I gotta do this quick. Make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications because something's going on with YouTube. I have no idea, but just make sure to do that. I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye!